Alright, hi, Angelo here, and this is Angelo's Edge with a unboxing of a, how shall I say it? I could just say the abbreviation, what they go by, SRM 1006, but it's also Sanrenmu is actually, I think, how you pronounce it. So that's what I got today. So it's the box. It has some people on it. Looks like a camping dude. Anyways, so it's SRM Sanrenmu knives. Okay, here's the thoughtful design. I know I see this as since 1998, I believe. Yep, 1998. Some Chinese writing. And oh, check this out. It says the blade is razor sharp. I can't. There's something under the sticker, but it's saying don't cut your fingers off, probably, because it actually is sharp. I actually unboxed it already and looked at it and checked it out. Oh, nice. Sold in mainland China. I can't see what it says. Made in China. So anyways, so this is like similar, the blade shape, to a ZT350 from Zero Tolerance, but this is not it. It is a tribute, or you might say, I guess. So here's it is put the box here and slip it out of the package. This is what it looks like. It doesn't see how you, I don't know how would you, I should put in the comments how. I'm pretty sure it's Sanrenmu knives. It's a really cool looking, really cool. It's like I think I've seen somewhere it's called like a rattlesnake, but it's the picture looked more red, but in person it looks more of a brownish burgundy. Wouldn't you say that, Vicky? A burgundy color.
It's a really pretty color.
It's really, yeah, it's pretty cool. It has blacks and burgundies and maybe a hint of yellow. It really, and is it smooth? Yes, it is. And this is what I was talking about, that shape of the blade. It's really reminiscent of the ZT350 because it has that little scoop right there. It has a recurve on it, and the blade is, look at it, it's already got a kind of a mirror edge on this already. I mean, can you beat that? I don't want to spoil it, but it only cost me $29. But I mean, I have not sharpened this. I should have got some foam paper out, but it shaves hair. It shaves arm hair easily. So that's, I mean, I like this. And actually, for you guys that like to see the grind marks, you can actually see the grind marks in it. See them right there? Okay, so in each one of these are supposed to be individually serial numbered for whatever reason, but here's the model number. There's the SRM 1006. It has the sandvik 14C28 steel, and I'd be curious what this little symbol means. It looks like a right angle and a 3, so I have no clue what that means. So it has a deep carry pocket clip, stainless, liner lock. I guess I'll just kind of do like a real close up. Let's see, there we got it. It's kind of fading in and out. There we go. Try to get it. Has a lanyard, glass breaker with, I believe, a carbide tip, so it should easily puncture a car window if you need to. I believe this is glass filled plastic for a backing. Stainless steel liners. I believe they're skeletonized. You can see it in there. Has this nifty extra precaution lock, so it will not shut now. You can't move the liner lock out of the way now, so it can't shut. So that's extra safety precaution, which is kind of cool, but it's so far down in there you don't even, it don't bother you that it's there. And I like the satin finish on this. This is really a nice looking knife. I think it's really pretty quality, nice quality. And it's shine. I like that bevel on that blade. Look at that. I could see that mirror shine or mirror image already. So the total length is 8.35 inches. The blade length is supposed to be, I think it says roughly 3.5 inches. It looks like it looks like blade cutting is about 3.5 inches. Liner lock, I already described the liner lock with the extra lock on top to prevent it from closing on your hand. G10 scales. I just like the look of the blade. Yeah, this just looks good. And I already mentioned each knife is assigned this unique serial number. So that's kind of cool. Mine has like a 01 in it way in the end. So maybe I got like one of the first runs. I don't know. Probably not. But and on Amazon it cost me, I already spoiled it, $29, roughly $30, $31 plus tax, whatever. And it has 4.7 stars out of 5 with 10 people doing reviews. And all of them were 5 stars except one was 4. And they all love the knife. And I just unboxed it today and I carried it today. If for being somewhat of a big knife, it's 6 ounce. I think I read 6 ounces, and it's not really bad. It's actually really the handle is almost like perfect for me. Like I mentioned before, the blade looks like a ZT350. The way this dipped down, I believe it's a drop point of some sort. I think this is called a saber grind when it goes all the way up to there. I don't know. I can't remember why, but I believe it's a saber grind, which is not. I think a flat grind would go all the way up. So when it don't go all the way up like that, it just stops here. That's a saber grind. Oh, it has a deep carry clip, and it's reversible. You just take the glass breaker off and you flip it around. You could wear it on, if you like, what they always say. I'm not left-handed, but all the left-handed people want left-handed love, they always say. So they give some lefty people some love on this knife. And like I said, it's sharp, it's shaving sharp right out of the box. Let's see if I can see. Here might be able to get some hair right there. This is out of the box. Have you know? Look at that. That's out of the box. Hair shaving sharp. For $30. Not talking over 100. I'm talking $30. Hair shaving sharp G10 sandvik steel. I'm sorry, I don't get no money to say how nice I'm happy with this knife, but it's really nice. I'd buy it if I were you. I'd get out there, click on Amazon, and buy. And is it worth the money? Oh yeah, I believe so. I'll do some real quick size comparisons just to give you an idea. Here's a Tenacious. There's a Tenacious. You see it's larger than the Tenacious. So, but it's not, the handle's not much bigger than the Tenacious. But here, let's try, this is a Kershaw Natrix XL is the extra large. And this, well, see, there's a good comparison with the blade, but this handle's a little bigger. It's almost like this handle fits more like with the Natrix. I mean, it just feels good in the hand. Let's try this, the Hans Warrior. And you see the Hans Warrior and the Natrix are larger than it. So this would be definitely bigger. So it's kind of like, almost like, to me it's almost like the Goldilocks size. Not too big, it's not extra large, and it's not tenacious size. Tenacious size is a nice handle. I mean, that feels good. I don't know if you can see it on there. The tenacious right there, kind of, my hand disappears with the end of the handle. On this one, it's just got enough. Man, I like this knife. So, and I think I like the styling of the recurve. I don't know if you can see that. It has a slight recurve. All right, let's see. Is there? I think that's good enough. Sorry. Well, here's the Firebird, Ganzo, Firebird, and a copy of the Rat one. So there's a Rat one. So you can see kind of. It's hard to see with this perspective, but yeah. See if we can spin this down. I don't know. I can't. But so you can see it. So yeah. But anyway, so this is the Sanrenmu 1006. Oh, look at that. Yep. Easy out. And yeah, it's drop shut. Well, it's riding on bearings. I don't know if they're ceramic or they're regular bearings, but I don't know. Oh, I just did a middle finger spidey flick with it easily. I didn't know if I'd be able to do it. So you can spider flick it, bam. Thumb flick it, bam. Flipper, man, this is I think this is my new favorite knife. And drop shut. Look at that. I can almost spider flick this easier than, oh, didn't do it that time, than the actual Spyderco. Let's see, here's a Spyderco. I haven't done it in a while. Yeah. It might be a little more commanding with the Spyderco, with the Spidey flick. But it's a little, wasn't as strong, but it's just a smooth knife. I'll see if I can get in here and see if you guys want to see the skeleton eyes. There we go. There you can see those skeleton eyes. Flip it over and yeah, there you can see the reflection. Oh, how about the lockup? Lockup is, I think, 40 to 50%. It's really easy to move it. It's not hard. But here you go. Here's locked. Then you can lock this thing in. Then you can't actually move it. It will not let you close it. So disengage that. And you can, the good thing about flippers, you can come down here and it hits your thumb. Then you can just drop it. Okay, let's put some stuff away, and I think we'll call it a day on this one. And how about if you like videos like this, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. Goodbye.